guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. So today we will be opening up a Kinleigh's Doodles little darling box.
And what's inside of it is planner stuff.
Yes, let's open it.
Let's open it. You open from this side?
No, you don't have to.
Why'd you say that? I don't know. Mom, what is this?
Papers to make dashboards.
Papers.
I don't know what dashboards are.
I got some of these stickers. A unit. I got a unicorn, a star, a magic wand, a unicorn, and a smoothie, stars, a lot more.
Okay, I got this cute little pencil case. It says, "Dream like a unicorn." It is so cute. I'm just gonna open it real quick.
And
So
I also have more stickers
They're
and
die cuts.
more of unicorn things. And
Okay, guys, look at this.
chain.
Look at this cute bag. It's so adorable. There's a cute unicorn on it that's like closing. It's a highs, and I really love unicorns.
I'm gonna open this for you guys so you could see. It's tiny. It's a little cute chain of the unicorn.
Oh yeah, I also got.
I'm gonna see if
I also
any of
got-
it comes off.
Mine actually has yellow hair. Drops, it doesn't come off.
Yeah, it doesn't.
There's my cute little unicorn.
And I got this cute little pencil case. I'm gonna open it.
While she's
It's
opening,
a unicorn one.
I got these cute little unicorn things.
I don't know what. I do not
Die
know
cuts.
what it's
Die cuts. I got these cute little unicorn die cuts.
Dream.
So cute.
Dream like a unicorn. And I'm gonna see if
And I also
anything's
got these
inside of
cute
it.
stickers.
The thing that's inside of it is this.
That was a bad surprise. Okay, and I have these cute papers that I could use in my planner book. It's so cute.
And that's
It's so adorable.
the only thing that that's all the things I got. Actually, I should check out my.
These are actually cool because they're actually two-sided. See? Stars. And then that.
Alright, I'm gonna open up my paper.
These are the same things.
This is so much paper.
And
Josie, move your box.
here's more.
More than I forgot.
We got the
Dad,
last.
what are you doing?
These are so adorable.
Alright, I got my papers out.
Last thing I have
Hearts.
is cute unicorns and some hearts.
Alright. This one doesn't change, but it's just hearts. But if you see this one, it's just unicorns. Hearts. Unicorn. Unicorn. Hearts. Okay. Stars. Hearts. And I have a lot more paper, but I'm not going to show you the rest.
Well, I think the box is like really cute because it also matches like with the unicorn stuff because unicorns are like galaxy themed too.
So
And I
much
think it's really
paper. Why is there so much paper?
that's all for today, guys. Make sure you guys check out all of our videos. Comment down below and give us a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and comment down below what we should do for our next video. See y'all next time. Bye!